Have you ever wondered how to explore a city like a local? What's the secret to uncovering a city's hidden gems, to experiencing the real pulse of a place? Today, we're going to dive into the art of city exploration, breaking it down into easy, manageable steps that will help you navigate any metropolis like a seasoned local. First off, do your homework. Research is key to understanding the city you're about to explore. This isn't just about looking up the top attractions. Discover the city's history, its culture, its local customs. This will give you a deep appreciation of the place and prepare you for what's to come. Next, forget about the tourist traps. Yes, they're popular for a reason, but if you want to experience the city like a local, you'll need to venture beyond the beaten path. Seek out the lesser-known neighborhoods, the tiny family-run eateries, the hole-in-the-wall bars. These places offer an authentic taste of the city's life, far from the commercialized glare of tourist hotspots. Walking is your best friend when it comes to city exploration. Not only is it a free mode of transportation, it also allows you to take in the sights, sounds, and smells of the city at your own pace. And who knows, you might stumble upon a charming street or a quaint cafe that you wouldn't have noticed from the window of a bus or taxi. Don't be afraid to chat with locals. They are your best source of information, and most of them are more than willing to share their favorite spots in the city. Plus, engaging with locals gives you a chance to practice and pick up the local language, enriching your travel experience even further. Lastly, keep an open mind. Every city has its own unique charm and rhythm, and it's often the unexpected encounters and experiences that make the most memorable moments. So, just to recap, 1. Do your homework. Research not only the top attractions, but also the city's history, culture, and local customs. 1. Forget about the tourist traps. Venture beyond the beaten path and seek out the lesser-known neighborhoods and establishments. 1. Walk as much as you can. It's free and allows you to take in the city at your own pace. 1. Chat with locals. They are your best source of insider information, and engaging with them can enrich your travel experience. 1. Keep an open mind. Be ready for unexpected encounters and experiences. Exploring a city like a local isn't an exact science. It's an art, a dance with the unknown. So set out with a sense of adventure and let the city reveal itself to you, one street, one neighborhood, one local interaction at a time. As we come to the end of our journey today, if you found these tips and hacks useful, show us some love by hitting the like button. It helps us know what content you enjoy and want more of. We also invite you to share your own travel tips and hacks in the comments section. Let's create a community of savvy travelers. Lastly, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful travel content. Remember, every like, comment, and subscription helps us bring you more of the travel content you love, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Let's continue this adventure together, one city at a time.